So what we're doing here, okay, we're going to be combining and subdividing ratios. So look at this question, okay. The ratio of A to B is 2 to 3. The ratio of B to C is 4 to 5. So you can actually have A to B dot C, obviously. So you can actually see that you write one underneath each other, and what you're trying to find out, you're trying to work out the lowest common multiple. So the lowest common multiple between 3 and 4 is actually 12. So because you multiplied this by 3, it means that both sides of this ratio get multiplied by 3. But for the other ratio, they're going to be multiplied by 4. So this is why the ratio is 8 to 12 to 15. So let's try again. So the ratio of red to blue cans is 3 to 5. The ratio of blue to green is 6 to 7. So pause the video and try to do this question on your own. So what we're actually going to be doing here is we're going to be listing it as 3 to 5 and 6 to 7. Lowest common multiple is 30. So this is why we're going to multiply this by 6 and this by 5 in order to be able to do it. So the ratio is 18 to 35. Same again for this question, so you can actually see this as GCSE. So the ratio of A to B is 8 to 5, B to C is 3 to 4. Now you need to find the ratio of A to B to C in the simplest form. So pause it and try. And what you can actually see, A to B is 8 to 5, B to C is 3 to 4. So you can actually see what the thing you've got in common is B. So multiply this by 5, multiply by 3. So you need to make sure that you multiply also the other ratio for it. So this is going to multiply by 5. This is going to be multiplied by 3. So you've got 24 to 15 to 20. And don't try and simplify like I initially did, okay? Because you get 12, but you get 7.5. You always leave as integers. So continue, okay? I had a question again. Please feel free to pause the video and try the question. So hopefully you've attempted this question. Now looking through, okay, I'm underlying different information. Key thing is making sure that you change these into fractions. It's the easiest way possible for it. So what fraction of students are girls? So 4 parts out of 7, so therefore 4 sevens. What fractions of girls study Spanish? 1 part out of 3, so 1/3. So therefore what fraction of students are studying Spanish? 1/3 of 4 sevens, so therefore that's why the answer is 4 out of 21. So same again, feel free to pause the video and try this question. So again, the key information is what we need to be saying. Colin gets 3/10 of the money, and then Dave said the rest of the money ratio of 3 to 2. So what is the share of money that Dave actually gets? Now the way of thinking of this question is again turning it into fractions. So let's have a look even on the working out for this. So Emma and Dave say 7/10 of the money. Of this 7/10, Dave gets 2/5 of it. So you're looking for 2/5 of the 7/10, which gives you 7 out of 25. So I would like you to pause the video here or try the worksheet. They're the same questions, 1 to 10, please. And I'm going to go through the answers. Then questions 7 to 10.